Hi and welcome to the Miles Better GrooveFunnels page, party page on Facebook and the YouTube channel on all things GrooveFunny and how-to tips. We're having a lot of fun today, second video of today because we're enjoying some of the new features that have come out. Today we've been having a look very briefly at the animation buttons. These are over here. Again, you want to make sure that you are in the expert mode. We're going to identify what we want to do. Let's have a look at making this button a little bit more animated. So we can come into animation and guess what? We can change it. We can make it bounce. I think that's already what I had it set at. We can make it flash and we can make it pulse. So let's see what's happening here. Why is that not doing anything? It was doing it earlier. Let's have a look here. Let's try on that one. We have that set to shake. Why is it not shaking? There we go. You had that there. You can see we can get it to wobble. We can get it to do lots of different things. Back in, back and down. Not quite sure it's going to like that. Let's do handshake. That's pretty cool. What else have we got here? We've got bounce in. Oh, these are pretty cool, aren't we? We've got jello. Ooh. So lots of fun that you can have. Bounce in right. There we go. That's all pretty good. And then let's save that and let's publish that and let's see what that looks like when we actually go to the website and see what happens when we land on the page. Let's refresh this page. Well, hey, it's come shooting in and my button was bouncing. So let's do that one more time. So it'll be the first time that when we do it, refresh, boing, and in. Give some dynamic to your website. So that's pretty cool actually, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed that very, very quick how-to video on how to animate, literally using the animation sections here. There's also the ability to delay the animation. So let's do that. Let's delay it probably by 2 seconds. And let's come on out and let's publish. Saving, publishing. I'm guessing that's going to give us a little bit more delay when we land on the page, so that becomes a little bit more graphic. So let's see, and we've landed. Let's just see if that was a refresh. No, not quite sure what that's doing at the moment, but anyway, there we are. A little bit of fun, a little bit of 2 minutes of fun where you can play and start to animate some of your buttons, some of your pictures. Hope you've enjoyed that, guys. Do check out some of my other videos, and of course, you know, if you're interested in some Wednesday Wisdom videos that I've published, please do look that up. That's milesbetterusa.groovepages.com/Wednesday Wisdom. New videos coming up every week on different things from me, Colin, aka the Numbers Guy. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great evening.